Have you ever pondered over the colossal task of restoring Notre-Dame, the world-renowned French cathedral? Let's journey back to the fateful day in April of 2019, when the heart of Paris was cloaked in smoke and ash. Notre-Dame, an architectural marvel and a symbol of French identity, was caught in a devastating blaze. This was not just an unfortunate incident, it was a catastrophe that shook the world. Notre-Dame, with its Gothic spires, ethereal stained glass, and centuries of history, is more than a cathedral. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of hope, and a sanctuary of solace. The fire that ravaged this iconic structure was therefore not simply a loss of architecture, but a wound to the collective human spirit. The flames, fierce and unrelenting, consumed the cathedral's wooden lattice, nicknamed the Forest due to its ancient timber. The spire, a sky-piercing symbol of faith, crumbled before the world's eyes. As the news of the fire spread, so did a wave of shared sorrow. From Parisians who considered Notre-Dame their city's beating heart, to people across the globe for whom the cathedral stood as a symbol of universal heritage, the emotional impact was profound. So what caused this historical jewel to be engulfed in flames? After detailed investigations, it was revealed that the fire was likely an accident, possibly due to an electrical short circuit or a discarded cigarette. The fire was not deliberate, but the damage it wrought was irreversible. The fire left a void in the heart of Paris, but it also ignited a spark of determination to rebuild and restore Notre-Dame to its former glory. This tragic event, while deeply unfortunate, marked the beginning of an ambitious endeavor to resurrect Notre-Dame, to let it rise from the ashes. But that, dear listeners, is a story for another scene. In the face of such a tragedy, the world united with a vow to restore this magnificent structure. The flames had barely been extinguished before promises of support echoed around the globe. The international community, moved by the sight of the wounded Notre-Dame, pledged their solidarity and financial backing to ensure the iconic cathedral would rise again. The French government, too, committed to the restoration effort. They set an ambitious timeline, promising to return Notre-Dame to her former glory within 5 years. This undertaking was not just about rebuilding a structure, but also about restoring a symbol of French identity and cultural heritage. The spirit of unity and determination was palpable. From individuals to corporations, from Paris to Perth, the world was united in a singular mission. It was an unprecedented global response, a testament to the enduring allure and cultural significance of Notre-Dame. The magnitude of the task was daunting, but the resolve was unwavering. With these pledges and commitments, the monumental task of restoration began. With the world watching and time ticking, the restoration of Notre-Dame got underway. This monumental task was not for the faint of heart, and yet the restoration team rolled up their sleeves and plunged into the rubble, ready to breathe life back into this architectural masterpiece. The early stages of the restoration process were akin to a delicate surgery. The first task was to remove the debris that had accumulated from the fire. Each stone, each piece of charred wood had to be handled with care to prevent further damage to the structure. It was a painstaking task, with the team meticulously sifting through the remnants of a once magnificent structure, piece by piece. With the debris cleared, the next challenge was stabilizing the structure. The fire had weakened the integrity of the cathedral, and there was a real danger of sections collapsing. The team had to work quickly, yet carefully, reinforcing the damaged areas to ensure the cathedral's survival. The challenges were immense, but so was the ingenuity of the restoration team. They employed innovative solutions, using cutting-edge technology to map out the cathedral and identify the most critical areas. Drones were used to get a bird's-eye view of the damage, while laser scanners created a detailed 3D model of the cathedral, guiding the team in their restoration efforts. But it wasn't all about technology. The team also drew from centuries of architectural wisdom, using traditional techniques where they were most effective. For instance, wooden supports were used to reinforce the structure, a nod to the cathedral's original construction methods. The initial stages of restoration were fraught with challenges, but the team pressed on, committed to their mission. Every stone turned, every beam placed, was a step towards the resurrection of Notre-Dame, a testament to mankind's ability to restore and renew that which has been lost. In a project of this magnitude, progress and setbacks go hand in hand. The restoration of Notre Dame is no exception, with its journey marked by both triumphs and trials. One of the major victories came with the successful removal of the scaffolding that had melted in the fire. This was a delicate operation, a real game of architectural pick-up sticks, as the team carefully extracted the mangled metal without causing further damage. But the path to progress was not a straight line. Remember the year 2023? The world was grappling with a global pandemic, and Notre Dame was not immune to its impact. The restoration process faced significant delays as the world paused, and safety measures had to be reassessed and reinforced. The work never stopped, but it did slow down, a frustrating setback for a team eager to see Notre Dame rise from the ashes. Then there were the environmental concerns. Notre Dame is a symbol of history and culture, but it's also a part of the Parisian ecosystem. Restoration efforts had to be balanced with preserving the environment. This meant additional challenges, as the team had to ensure that the restoration work did not disrupt the surrounding ecology or contribute to pollution. Yet the spirit of resilience was stronger than any setback. Each delay, each problem encountered, was met with determination and innovation. The team adapted, they learned, they pushed forward. They found ways to work within their constraints, always with the goal of restoring Notre Dame to its former glory. The setbacks were real, but they were not insurmountable. Each hurdle was a chance to learn, to adapt, to grow stronger. And that's exactly what the team did. They embraced the challenge and they made progress, slow and steady, but always moving forward. Despite the setbacks, the team remained undeterred, making significant strides in the restoration. The journey of Notre Dame's restoration is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity, a beacon of hope rising from the ashes. With each passing day, Notre Dame rises a little more from the ashes. The restoration of this iconic cathedral, a symbol of French history and culture, continues to unfold, revealing a remarkable tale of resilience and rebirth. Currently, the project is in a crucial phase. The focus has shifted from stabilizing the structure, which was the initial priority post the devastating fire, to now restoring the intricate features that make Notre Dame so unique. The team of skilled artisans and craftsmen are working tirelessly, replicating centuries-old techniques to bring back the lost glory of the cathedral. One of the recent milestones in this journey was the successful restoration of the cathedral's famous rose windows. These stunning pieces of stained glass, each a masterpiece in its own right, were painstakingly repaired and reinstalled, once again allowing the sunlight to stream through their vibrant panes and illuminate the cathedral's interior. In the coming months, the attention will turn to the cathedral's iconic spire. The original, which tragically fell during the fire, is set to be replaced with an exact replica, a testament to the commitment to preserve Notre Dame's historical authenticity. This will undoubtedly be a significant and symbolic moment in the restoration process. Also on the horizon is the restoration of the cathedral's grand organ. This gem of the cathedral, despite surviving the fire, was damaged by the subsequent water and dust. The careful cleaning and restoration of its 8,000 pipes are expected to be a painstaking and meticulous process. While the journey to full restoration is long, every step forward brings Notre Dame closer to its former grandeur. Each beam replaced, each stone relaid, each stained glass window reinstalled, adds to the cathedral's ongoing narrative of rebirth from the ashes. The Notre Dame we see today is a testament to the indomitable spirit of those committed to preserving our shared cultural heritage. As we look to the future, the vision of a fully restored Notre Dame inspires hope and anticipation. The promise of this iconic cathedral standing tall once again on the Parisian skyline is not just a testament to architectural prowess, but also to the resilience of human spirit. The expected completion date, although still a few years away, is a beacon of light in the distance, drawing us closer with every passing day. The devastating fire that engulfed Notre Dame not only sparked a monumental restoration effort, but also ignited a global conversation about the protection of our historic sites. The lessons learned from the ashes of Notre Dame are shaping the way we approach the preservation and protection of these cultural treasures. There is a renewed commitment to ensuring that such an incident does not repeat, not just in Notre Dame, but in all corners of the world where history is etched into stone and wood. The story of Notre Dame's restoration is a testament to human determination and the enduring power of cultural heritage. As we eagerly await the day when the bells of Notre Dame will ring out once again, we are reminded of the indomitable spirit of humanity and the timeless allure of our shared history.